Hey chicken besties, this is me 2 or 3 hours later. Yes, the coop was free. Yes, I am very thankful, but it was a struggle to get that thing apart. It was completely like sealed and settled. So, and they only had a one door fence. So we had to take out the door from the fence. It was just a big thing. But we are finally home. It is 11 p.m. and I'm pretty sure we left 7:30 or 8. So this is the coop area. We have the wood to cover that, but it's laying down. And so this is kind of like the little area underneath. And there's the nesting box. And then here's the run. The run is actually almost 7 feet tall. We're gonna have feet. But the owner's kids' playhouse, and they converted it into a chicken coop.